So children, let's go through the questions quickly again. Okay. Question number 10. When iron rusts, it reacts with the oxygen to form what? Iron oxide. Question number 11. How many bones are there in spinal cord? Answer is 24. Question number 12. What is the blood pressure of a normal man? Answer is 120/80. And question number 13. What do we use to measure a person's blood pressure? Answer is sphygmomanometer. And question number 14. What is the process of vapor changing into water called? Answer is condensation. Question number 15. Which is the hottest planet of the solar system? Answer Venus. Question number 16. Which gas is used as fuel? Answer LPG. Question number 17. Which is the largest gland in the human body? Answer liver. Question number 18. Thomas Alva Edison was known as the wizard of which place? Answer Menlo Park. Question number 19. In what unit are computer mouse movements measured? Answer Mickeys. Question number 20. Which is the largest organ of a human body? Answer skin. So all of you write all these answers in your textbook and study well. Good morning children. Today let's continue our chapter 15 of GK, that is inventions and discoveries. So let's continue the remaining questions. Question number 10. When iron rusts, it reacts with the oxygen to form what? The answer is iron oxide. So when the iron rusts, it reacts with the oxygen to form iron oxide. Question number 11. How many bones are there in spinal cord? Answer is 24. So can you say how many bones are there in human body? It is 206. So our question is how many bones are there in spinal cord? Answer 24. Question number 12. What is the blood pressure of a normal man? What is the blood pressure of a normal man? Answer is 120/80. 120/80. That is the blood pressure, normal blood pressure of a normal man. Question number 13. What do we use to measure a person's blood pressure? The instrument that we use to measure a person's blood pressure. Answer is sphygmomanometer. Sphygmomanometer is the instrument used to measure a person's blood pressure. What is that? Sphygmomanometer. Question number 14. What is the process of vapor changing into water called? Water vapor changing into water. What is that process called? That is condensation. Condensation is the process of vapor changing into water. Now tell me, what is the process of water changing into water vapor? The just opposite thing. Water changing into water vapor. That is called evaporation. Water vapor changing into water is called condensation. Water changing into water vapor is called evaporation. Question number 15. Which is the hottest planet of the solar system? Which is the hottest planet of the solar system? Answer is Venus. Now can you tell me which is the coldest planet in the solar system? Yeah, the answer is Neptune. Neptune is the coldest planet in the solar system. Question number 16. Which gas is used as fuel? All of you know that we are most of the houses we have that particular fuel as which we used as the fuel, that is LPG. You have at home you can see the cylinders, gas cylinders. In that gas cylinders LPG is filled. LPG means liquefied petroleum gas. That is the full form, liquefied petroleum gas. So the LPG is filled inside. It is inside the gas cylinder and it is used as the fuel. Question number 17. Which is the largest gland in the human body? Which is the largest gland in the human body? Answer is liver. Liver is the largest gland in the human body. And can you tell me which is the smallest gland in the human body? Smallest gland is pituitary gland. What is that? Pituitary gland. That is the smallest gland. Question number 18. Thomas Alva Edison was known as the wizard of which place? This Thomas Alva Edison was known as the wizard? That is Menlo Park. And do you know what is the specialty of Menlo Park? In Menlo Park, this Thomas Alva Edison had his first laboratory in which many of his earliest inventions took place. So, Menlo Park is the place in which he had his laboratory and in which the most of his earlier inventions took place. And do you know some of the important inventions of Thomas Alva Edison? They are phonograph, motion picture camera, early versions of electric bulb. So these are only some. So many other inventions are also there, and I told you only the important inventions. Question number 19. In what unit are computer mouse movements measured? In what unit are computer mouse movements measured? You are familiar with the computer mouse, right? There is some unit to measure the movement of the mouse. When we move that mouse, the cursor in the monitor also moves. So we are controlling the direction of the cursor. So the unit to measure such movements are known as Mickeys. That is the unit to measure the movement of the mouse. And the directional movements are called horizontal Mickey count and the vertical Mickey count. This cursor can move in any direction, horizontal, vertical, any direction. So they are measured. They are known as the movement. Such movements are known as horizontal Mickey count and vertical Mickey count. And the last question in this chapter is, which is the largest organ of a human body? Which is the largest organ of a human body? It is skin. Skin is the largest organ. It is an organ. It is a sense organ. So largest organ of the human body is skin. Everywhere, through whole body, it is covered with skin. So it is the largest organ. And do you know which is the smallest organ? That is pineal gland. Pineal gland is the smallest organ in human body. And this pineal gland is situated in the brain. So which is the smallest organ? It is the pineal gland. Largest organ of a human body is skin. These are the questions. These are the questions in chapter 15. So you have to go through it.